today we are going to be looking at how you can change the virtual environment on your MetaQuest 3, 3S to whatever Quest version you are using. So they got some really cool environments. If you're interested in changing them, just click on your Meta button, then you're going to click on the settings. Once you have in your settings, you're going to go to your environment setup, and then you're going to go to virtual environment. And here you're going to see a whole list of different environments that you can click on to install. And once they're installed, then you can actually try them out. So let's try out this storybook one here. You can take a look around, see what it looks like. Got myself in the mirror over there. All these environments are pre-made for you, so you can just go in and try and change them out as well. I'm going to go in here. We're going to check out the ocean one. So here we got some fish swimming around. We're on a little coral reef. You can really customize this to be your own personal space, whichever one you like the best. They're often coming out with new ones over time, and so you can always come back and check to see what's there. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.